Morning class. Now today, before starting exercise 14b, let us clear some basic concepts. First is point. What is a point? A point is a mark of position which has no length, no breadth and no thickness. Okay children, it is just a dot. Can you see over here? It is just a dot. Then second thing comes line. What is a line? It has length but no breadth or thickness. It is represented like this. Okay, and it can be extended from both the sides. It can be extended infinitely in both the sides. You can extend it like this also, and you can extend it in this direction also. Then comes ray. What is a ray, children? A ray is a straight line which starts from a fixed point and moves in same direction, like started from here and it started from here and moving in the direction of B. Similarly, it is starting from here and moving in this direction, and it is represented like this. A is the fixed point and in the direction of B it is going on. Now AB. AB is a line segment. Its both ends are fixed. Its both ends are fixed. It is just a part of a line or a ray. It cannot be extended in any direction. Then comes collinear points. If three or more points lie on the same straight line, like all these 3 points A, B, C are lying on this line, they are called collinear points. Then comes intersecting lines. This you have studied already. 2 lines intersecting at one point only. Intersecting means meeting at one point only. They are called intersecting lines. Then comes concurrent lines. What are your concurrent lines? When 3 or more lines pass through the same fixed point. Can you see this line and this line? They all are passing through the same fixed point. They are said to be concurrent lines. And this point is called point of concurrence. Okay, then last comes parallel lines. You all have studied this also. Parallel lines are those lines which do not meet or intersect with each other, no matter up to what length they are produced. Okay, so these are some of your very basic concepts. Now I will be explaining you the next topic.